DJM TV. Sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. DJM TV.
Country people, now welcome to DJM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they always summer on our Ogbonge news as it they hot, as it they happen. Today, we dey Ikpobara Ward 5, and here when you look, if you look my back now, you go see say the place don't almost dey full. And what will happen here? Na campaign of Governor Godwin Obaseki and Philip Shaibu. Now the people don't they wait for them as they come. One can tell them what did they get. So far, there is high expectation for ground. Second, say the people say they don't see what the governor don't do for the area. For this Savior road when people say that they pass now. So therefore, all of them don't come here and come gather to come make sure say yes. They tell them thank you and make it for teachers. Say tell them the things when you're ready to do for them. We DJM as usual we dey for ground to give una blow by blow account as everything go dey shele for this ground today. I beg, we want tell una if you don't dey watch us all this while and you never see subscribe, make you subscribe because we not dey tire to release Ogbonge news. We dey the different social media platforms. We dey for YouTube, and if you want to subscribe to our YouTube, make you just go to DJM TV and make you subscribe. Then make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our Ogbonge hot stories as they share. Like our page DJM TV, and for Twitter too, now see DJM TV. Our website www.djmtv.news 24/7. Now we take the summer Ogbonge news for all these social media platforms. I beg, make una follow us as we want enter inside the feed now. Make we begin to see the cocoa of what they happen for inside the feed. Make una follow us. We want make you tell us what they happen for here.
The thing will be they happen for here be say now today our Pekin Prince Godwin Obaseki, the executive governor of Edo State, now today 911 campaign for Ward 5. Incidentally, the mother of his father is from Ikpobara local government. The mother is a princess for Obazagbon of Benin Kingdom in Ikpobara. That's where his mother is from. So it's a part and parcel of this local government.
Now we see people gather here now. Why they gather? What thing the governor don't do when make these people come gather for here?
Well, I think Godwin Obaseki, he is the best performing governor that has ever ascended the throne of governorship in Edo State. I was a local government council chairman myself. I was the economic advisor to Nigerian. I must defer to Godwin Obaseki. He has done wonderfully well. In terms of infrastructure development, he has done well. In terms of building of schools, he has done well. In terms of health, he has done well. In terms of agriculture, he has done well. In terms of empowerment, he has done well. Essentially, the young man has done exceedingly well, and we are proud of him and want him to come back for a second tenure. That is why this massive crowd is here to support him, to show their appreciation towards Governor Godwin Obaseki.
Daddy, that election day now, how you see what you want play that day? How you see what you want happen that day?
Well, if you had watched your television yesterday, incidentally, I was one of the chiefs that was called to the palace when the palace gave the governor, the APC aspirant, and the leadership of the two parties that they should serve gently in terms of this forthcoming election. The Oba was very emphatic in telling them that he does not want problem in his domain. He wants peace. He wants the election to be, peaceful. So they, in their wisdom, equally as assured the Oba of Benin that the election will be peaceful in Jesus' name.
We see some people gather. So now we try to know what thing they happen.
So you don't know what did happen?
No, I see people gather.
As you see people that are supposed to know what happen.
Okay, what did they happen?
Today, Dr. Konagudu governor, the way I see governor, one visitors for Ward 5, Bobaka.
Who you be for this place?
Well, I'm the vice chairman of the world.
Your name, sir?
My name is Pastor Tasuyo Tote.
Now, as the be say you don't talk now, say now the governor that they wait for. So for this ground, what thing the governor don't do for this area? Because if I look the crowd, now the way people take it.
I'm not going to wait. Make you not to answer that question finish. You they ask me say what the governor do for this our area. Okay. How you tell this here?
I enter motor come.
Okay, where motor carry? Not be road carry pass.
Yes.
For 2016, they don't be like this.
I don't know because I don't know this area.
My brother, this time last 2 years, na caterpillar, not be tip as a caterpillar. Now we fit carry pass this road. This one we keke na page dey fly say maybe they go abroad so. Now this way can see governor night one. You don't see the express. I know we say most of it if they go bypass. Bypass. Even the one they go to Bayi, cross the river go to Bayi, you won't even start that one. So not just the man to do governor. So we all just come here, come appreciate him. Not say one come campaign, one come even they come. We say make it come, we come thank him for the good work we don't do for us. Not say one come campaign, we want to thank him for the good work we don't do for us for this our local government, for especially this Ward 5 Kobaka. This is the road, my brother. The man Ward 5 as a whole for Kobaka. Now just carry go. Now for this election.
Okay, you say carry go. All these people want it here, so you sure say all of them get PVC?
My brother, as we all do here, so we do what we call unit accreditation. Unit accreditation. So as everybody they come from different units, and they have their unit leaders, and of which they have their data, all their names are there. And you not become a member of the unit without having your PVC. So as anybody you are seeing here today, all of them are Boniva members that have their PVC and are ready to vote for Obaseki for a second tenure.
You sure say not borrow people come here? So?
Borrow care. I be with the log make many people enter because the place of the two tight now. I will borrow. Who see what this is governor they do? They go beg before I come this place. We not even tell them. We not even announce. We want just do a small. We surprise the thing. They increase from 6 canopy to 12 canopy. From 12 canopy now with they bring more another additional 400 chairs. As you can see, look at that. You see people are standing. The canopy don't full. People are standing to choose the governor. Everybody love the governor.
People never come.
And people never still come. We are still waiting for people to come.
No.
What else, sir?
I beg, who you be for this party?
I be the DG for the ward. That is Ward 5. The campaign committee DG. Now I be.
Who should be DJ again? You the D grant?
The campaign committee chairman. Now I be for Ward 5.
So far, how you don't walk around for the campaign?
The truth be say we don't try. We don't walk around. We don't work out virtually but it don't reach about 8 places outside the one where we did today, where we don't go for this ward, and everything they well. It go well.
Now we dey here. Me never see what they happen here. I bet me tell country people what they happen for here.
Okay, the reason why we want to see these people today now be say the #1 citizen for this state, Godwin Obaseki, our governor, they visit our ward today, the Ward 5. Now make all this crowd come out here. Now make all day here so. Not be say we dey fight here or we dey do Christmas. Now the man where we dey respect, our governor, now make us dey here, sir.
You say una don't visit so many places as the DJ of the campaign. How you see the response from those places una visit?
Yeah, my brother, I don't know if you talk that one. Oh. The responses so far, they're very, very impressive. They're very good. All the places where we don't go, everybody they say make them vote for Obaseki. Before we even talk and say, they don't say Ogba. So we did very, very happy. So as the DG of this campaign committee Ward 5, I did very happy. Say anywhere where I carry my team members go for campaign, they say na Godwin Nogagase Obaseki they go vote for, make it return, make it come finish the good work where it don't start. Now so my brother.
You sure say those people when you talk now say that they give you the award, they get PVC. You know say without PVC nobody fit vote to.
Not true. We don't try make we know how to make sure say these people they really get PVC. But from the people where we don't see, and from the way we don't talk, and from what we don't see carry out, where beneath the English they call investigation, they get PVC. But in not reach like that, we go still try. We want to do that PVC accreditation through unit, unit by unit. Now we want to do one. Some get PVC.
So far now, as the DG, how you they look the election day proper? Because now this we can't count now to the election.
The truth be say, by the grace of God, what will they pray? Make them not postpone INEC, because voters, electorate, they ready well. They're ready for that September 19. What will they pray for? Say, make INEC not postpone, make fight not come, make anything when go cause kata. Well, be say they go say no, election not day. We don't want that one. The voters, the people, they're ready. They don't ready very well from all the wards, from all the units of this ward 5. May I use our own as an example? They're ready for September 19. They're ready.
But if they can't postpone, what will happen? Because you talk about make them not postpone. If like say that postponing, if like say get when you see them, or now waiting you plan for that day, not go come.
That postponement. Well, if they say postpone, now to the advantage of the governor, make it still prepare well. Now some is here. But me just dey talk, but I say in this country where we dey, if you election before, they will say that tomorrow. The other day we go here, a week to, or even that few days to, few minutes to, they go postpone her. But even if there's postpone, I don't say they postpone her 20 times, so Obaseki must emerge as the governor of Edo State.
Obaseki, Philip Shaibu.
So what do you concern you when you be saying you can work out, come sit down, join the people?
It concern me well, over concern. Why it concern me? The work we do for us for Iwi, Umelu, Ewologun, Obasakpon, the other Abiyama, we never see that kind of work before. For more than 200 years ago, when this committee has been existing, this kind of tie road, we never see her. Gutter, we never see her. So today, we appreciate the good work we Godwin Nogagase Obaseki do for us. We, the landlady in St. Saviour, in Umelu, Abiyama, we appreciate them well. Because since our time, we never see this kind of thing. So we praise them well. And God will keep you on that wisdom of Solomon. Let you carry the appeal of the election they go. It don't win. 4+4. Ogba.
When they do, we don't want abandon project for Edo again. All the ones where they felt abandoned before, we don't want make this one be like that. That's why we want continuity. That's why we say 4+4. Ogbane.
Now, the way that they sound the Ogbane, it doesn't get confidence. What is there behind that confidence?
The confidence we get, say, because what he don't fair do for ground. So we know say if he come back, he go continue and the thing not go end for where for stop. So because he don't promise us many things when he first come. Those things he do 98% of it. So just 2% will remain. We know say before the next 4 years, that 2% go complete. That is why we want make it come back again. Yes. Yes, that we carry this banner to make sure say re-election. No, are not negotiable. We not negotiate with anybody. APC don't die for Edo State. APC don't finish. Once he come back again and the name APC, he don't go with that.
He don't talk many things, and all the things when he talk, they are true. Now, I want to make a revelation here. I've not said it anywhere, but in Ward 5, I will tell you the story. When they were misusing our money, stealing our money, then the APC candidate today, he came to me. He said, are we going to watch and allow Adam Soshomole do this to Edo State? I said no. Both of us invited Bishop Oche, and we wrote a petition to EFCC to investigate and probe Adams Oshomole. After that, every week I took the decision to start showing and displaying vouchers they use in taking our money. But today I stand before you and I will publicly declare, since Governor Godwin Obaseki assumed office, we have not brought out one voucher to show he has done anything. I remember there was a time when the dope people will be waiting for evening news because Kulu Kulu will bring out new voucher. Have you seen anybody showing voucher that Godwin has not done well? He's indeed a good man. Now we can point to what he has done. Even here in Ward 5, 15 kilometers of road in St. Savior. Wait up. Once I talk with you, don't do. Una know say na alert. 15 kilometers of road for St. Savior. Una don't get alert. God wait. Una don't get alert. God wait. Modular refinery. Una don't get alert. God wait. Power plant. Una don't get alert. God wait. Stadium. Samuel Obemudia Stadium. Una don't get alert. Empowerment of youth, una don't get alert. Pensioners don't get alert. Civil servants don't get alert. And the beautiful secretariat, una don't get alert. PDP! Power to our women! Power to our youth! Power to Niger! I cannot believe this is one word. People una no say una dey special. As I tell them somewhere, una know why Ibobaka dey special. Now get the largest population for Edo State. Ibobaka na the fastest growing local government in Edo State. Even in South. I don't know how it happened. Because people could just come from outside side. They reach Ibobaka, they will stop, they will stay. When they come from Agbo side, they will reach Ibobaka, they will stop, they will stay. When they come from Delta, they reach Ibobaka, they will stop, they will stay. So when I check from office, everything Ibobaka. Even our SSG, Ibobaka. That is why Ikobaka is a special local government. And Ward 5 is very special and unique. Because it's unique. So when you reach Ikobaka, you go see people. You go to wonder, where these people they stay? Land still there this place? But when you go enter Ward 5, you will not see land. When we they do this St. Xavier Road, I waka. I still township, they Ward 5. Village, they Ward 5. Because of that, it can't make me they look Ward 5 well. I don't go which one the nigga self for there. I say, this Ward 5. It's like saying growth could come here. You feel give me land? You see what we have done in Ikobaka and this ward, that St. Saviour's Road is costing us a lot, but it's one road we will finish. We are planning that whole area so that we can put modern facilities in Ikobaka. I said, as Ikobaka plenty reach, General Hospital no dey. When I look Ikobaka, see the number of people in the stay here. See, since when I move in here, they never bring new electricity line come. So why light go there? Light not there. I know say when I don't get light. But because as we go round Edo North, Edo Central, Edo South, I don't see myself. Say nowhere lights there. Yesterday, we come from Orion. I won't cry.
It's a mama there. It's a mama everywhere.
You mean say
it's a mama
less than 30 kilometers from the city. Place like this city, no road, no light. I say, if place be like this, how Peking will stay there? So you go to those places, that's also old people there. All the young people, they don't run come out. But if we put lights there and road, they will go school. They will watch television. New things. Wait. Let's all be serious. New things will start to come. Who won't come out for house? Not the condition. So if government improve the condition, people not going to stay house. But if you get bad people for government, why no one use government money to work for the people? Now make us get what we get as we did so. And those people, they say they won't come back. If possible. So this election of September 19th, now what you will call the defining election. This election will mean whether we will go forward as a people or not. Because if all those agberos were not left on a trade, I remove all of them, lock them up. I said, don't know where they walk. If those people, they now call themselves lion and tiger, under the supervision of my opponents, they say they won't come back. Una go agree? They know, say they not feel come back. They know, say the people know they with them. So what did they do? from morning to night. Lie. They will just lie. And you don't say lie, they blood. They go see black, they go say, no, not be black. They say they feel confused people. Now, they say they not feel confuse us again. So what did they do? They say they go bring boys. They won't do violence. They go shoot. Then they shoot, everybody will come that day. They'll come bring all the results when they write. Put out, announce. That's not the plan. That's not the plan. They say they go use force. They go use violence. For this money, they tell me for somewhere for Eastern land. They say if you wear PDP cap now, boys go come, they go take them for your head. If they not, they say they go beat you. I said, una know what you? All una go do, we go give una special number. Una go phone instantly. Anybody when they say that they molest anybody, you go phone. We get arraignment. We go come carry them. You know why I say make we do that? Not be say we not fit beat them. Not be say they pass us. But they plan. They say they don't say they're not going to win. Oh. They don't say we go beat them. Oh. But they go come and shout, oh, violence. This thing. They INEC fit cancel the election. That's not their plan. Not be say we weak. Not be say we not get power. Not be say we not feel overpower them. But then the wayo they want to do is to say violence there. They not feel do election. So then they cancel the election. That's not the wayo that they plan. It go work. It go work. PDP. Edo must move. By the grace of God, Edo will move. Now, hand the day. September 19th, go out. Come out early. Go on a polling unit. When they see us so plenty, they're not going to do what they plan. How many there be? They call this for 5. How many there be? There not many. Who now come out in the numbers? When we vote finish, we stay there. Watch. If the 2:30 we don't finish. Monitor them. They must count on our votes. When they count them, they go announce them. Come put them for the wall. We now go see on ourselves. Everybody go clap. Carry some people. Tell some people now wait to follow the result. Go work collation. No come up. No take your eye come up for that result sheet. Because they will change now. They plan to change that. When we finish, before once they don't announce the word, say word 5 PDP. Before all of them come out. Now when they come, we know that what leader, we know nothing to do. We know how they do it before. We know how. By the grace of God, we will celebrate. And when I don't do their own, you vote for me, leave the rest to me. Leave the work for me. I never worked before. This last 4 years, I don't work for now. As you both say, when you vote for me, you ain't seen nothing yet. I go show now, say, money day this town. Money day our state. Well, this election will mean say permanently we go block them. All those people with longer throats, we go block them. Then the money we go bring up, we go take out and work. The last thing I go tell you now, particularly you young ones. Thank you, sir. Many of you are not even get PVC yet. This election is about your future. It's about your future. If you don't get a government that comes in to think about your future and lay a clear plan for your future, God forbid, I can't believe what will happen. So for us, we are going to leave Edo with a 30-year development plan. So all of us will know what is supposed to happen when. APC or not, make sure you take an interest. Because if the wrong person or wrong people come in, God forbid, it means that the future is bleak. And God will not allow it. So even if you don't have your own PVC, I know many of you could not register because INEC did not open up the portal. Make sure you look for people who have PVC. Please beg them, go and vote for our future. Because the people who are against us, they don't have any plan for you. They say they come out, they say they have one simple agenda. The problem when they go is simple. How simple agenda will cure complicated problem. So enough of the deceit. We are not going to allow it again.
If he give me the number one,
Mama, good evening.
Good evening.
I beg, give us your name.
My name is Mrs. John Eriami Atoy from Ward 5, Bobaka local government.
Okay. Now you did this rally just now when you see the governor talk.
Yes.
Now those is when he talk. How you see them?
Very, very good. This governor don't even need to talk self because everybody don't see what they do for this EDO state. Most especially this Saint Savior way can't do for us. Before, keke self, if you keke from one attack keke, not go reach 2 kilometers, they'll tell you say 200 naira, but now 50 naira. The road they okay and he still confirm and just now saying go do and go come out for bypass and light go bring light come from because we know they see light for Saint Savior here. So now the better thing they plan for Ward 5 year and I be that one.
Hey, I salute you, my brother.
I beg you go give us your name.
My name now Honorable Esosa Ogbefu.
What do you be for this community and even the
for this community? I be son of the soil, but for the party, me I be state officer. I am the assistant state auditor of this party, and same time the senatorial auditor of this party. Now I be.
Now
this one of my wards, Ward 5 in Bobaoha.
We see now say the governor come here, come talk to the people when they this word. And you, as you just talk now, say you be leader for the world. How you come feel now? Sake of say the work when I don't they do they come van, governor can't come today now. I mean the campaign. How you see him now after today?
As you see, I think you see the crowd here. You see how people full here. People not just come like that. Now when government they work, people see what the government they do, and people like the government way they on, but especially waiting Governor Obaseki they do for this local government, especially this Ward 5. I no go fit talk. You see this road where you see so Obaseki, he tied the road is about 15 kilometers all the way from St. Savior Road to bypass. Not be small job. Be that if you still go behind Mucheshe, now still Ward 5, although it is middle of Ward 5 and Ward 7. If you go there, go see how time Mucheshe come enter Ward 5, come reach a motor. From a motor they come this Savior. We they happy. He don't open up. He don't open up the word for us. Because of that, he own re-election. As far as he does spend 4 years, we come decide to say no. We not go let him go. That another 4 years will remain. He must complete them. That is why today you can't see crowd. You see people come out from this world. If you see what happen for this world today,
and who you be for this community?
My name na Antonio Sazuwa Igiebo. I may be chairman of Unit Committee Unit 38 for Ward 5 under PDP. The coming of the governor today to Ikpoba, especially Ward 5, when you see us, we take welcome am because of the good work when he do for this St. Saviour Road. And he still promise us saying go do and finish if we vote for him. I want to use this opportunity to tell our people, say, may they not fear to come out. May they come out, come vote. Godwin Obaseki don't give us assurance, say, our owner to come out, come vote. He go secure the vote, secure everybody when want come out that day. Early in the morning, come out, whether you dey unit 38 or you dey unit 28 or you dey any unit where you dey, any local government where you dey for Edo State, come out, go vote Godwin Obaseki so that the things when they do, they come make it for finish am for us. Now waiting I want beg our people be that. Because we never get good governor like this. Where be everything where we they do, we they see am for television, we they see am for mirror, we they see am transparency government for good governance, and we they gain the dividend of democracy according to the Igbo people. So now that one they make us, they say, make everybody for Ikpoba, Edo State in general, make them come out, come put on for umbrella.
Now yeah, we want to draw the curtain for our blow by blow account when it concern the campaign of Governor Godwin Obaseki, when it comes to be the PDP candidate for the September 19 governorship election when go shele for Edo State. As we don't see, he don't talk to the people, and the people, many of them don't see talk to us. Give us how their mind can be since he don't come now. And some of them can give us idea concerning how the election go be that day. Country people, I beg. Now here we go to the curtain. And so before we go, I go beg una. If you don't watch us all this way, we thank you very well. But we want beg you say make you subscribe. And to subscribe, not to just make you go to our YouTube channel when be DJM. In fact, we don't even upgrade that channel itself, not be channel again, a community now. So make you just subscribe to DJM TV. Then make you come knock your hand for the notification bell so that anytime we they release, because 24/7 now we take the release hot ogbonge news to una country people. So that you go get them. Again, you fit still follow us for Twitter. Our Twitter account now DJM TV, and even our Facebook. Make you like our Facebook page. Our Facebook page now be DJM TV. Then for our website too, where you go they get 24/7 news non-stop all over the world, not be only from Edo State. Now be www.djmtv.news. Now be our website. So country people, until next time again when we go come on our way, my name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una do well.
DJM TV.